Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of AI video generators and editors. The era of tedious video editing is over, thanks to these incredible tools. Let's explore the top AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we create and edit videos. First on our list is Synthesia, a trailblazer in AI video generation. With an intuitive platform, you can bring your text to life with human presenters. Choose from 125 plus AI avatars speaking 120 plus languages. Let's witness the future of video creation. Up next is Runway, transforming video editing into a breeze. No more technical skills or lengthy processes. Edit and enhance your videos effortlessly. Remove backgrounds, paint out objects, add subtitles and more. Let's see Runway in action. Say goodbye to manual background removal with Unscreen. This tool automatically analyzes videos using AI to detect even the smallest details. The result? Super accurate background removal. Let's explore the magic of Unscreen. Now we have VREW using AI for automatic speech-to-text conversion. No more tedious manual transcriptions. Edit auto-generated captions and style them with different fonts and effects. Let's dive into the world of VREW. Descript is our next stop, a comprehensive AI video editor. Create professional-looking videos effortlessly. Add visual elements, titles, captions, and even animate layers. Plus, you can add a voiceover using their variety of stock voices. Let's explore the versatility of Descript. Last but not least, meet Nova A.I, the ultimate video categorization and organization tool. AI recognizes and tags elements in your videos, making organization a breeze. Faces, expressions, objects, and more. Nova A.I is your video organizing companion. Let's discover the power of Nova A.I. These AI tools are reshaping the landscape of video creation and editing. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech wonders on. Until next time, keep exploring the future of technology with us.